Hey guys, welcome back to From Zero Trading. As you know, I'm a college freshman with zero finance experience, and I've been learning investing from scratch. The other day, we opened TradingView for the first time, and I showed you the basics of reading a chart. We talked about price, volume, moving averages, time frames. If you missed that video, the link is in the description. Today, we're gonna be going deep on candlesticks. I've been staring at these things for a while now, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I learned, what confused me, and what finally made sense. Let me start from the very beginning. So, every single candle on this chart tells you a story of what happened to a stock during a specific time period. Right now, we're in the swing trading format, so it's going to be day, right? Each candlestick represents a day. So candlestick basically tells you four things: where the price started, where it ended, how high it went, and how low it fell. That's it. Every candle, four pieces of information. Let me show you on the chart. So let's take a look at this green candle right here. So if I zoom in a bit, so if I look at this green candle here, the bottom is where the price opened. The top of the body is where the price closed. And because it's green, that means the price closed higher than it opened. The stock went up during this period. Now, if I look at a red candle, let's take a big red candle. Now, when it comes to a red candle, the top of the body is where it opened, this area, and the bottom is where it closed. Because it's red, the price closed lower than it opened. Basically, the stock went down. Okay. Now, at first, this is something that I did not understand. So you see these thin lines sticking out of all of these candles. You see these wicks, right? These are the wicks of candles. You have it on top and the bottom. So now these are either called wicks or shadows. Now the top wick shows you the highest price the stock reached during that period. For example, if you look at this stock, it opened at this price, went up a bit, and then fell down all the way to here. And now the bottom wick shows you the lowest price it fell to, even if the stock ended up closing somewhere in the middle. So you take this candlestick right here. It opened here, fell down, recovered, went up, and again came back down here. Right? So that's an example of this. Now, now this is why the wicks matter. So a long top wick means the price tried to go higher but got pushed back down. Sellers came in and rejected that higher price. A long bottom wick means the price tried to go lower but got pushed back because buyers came in and rejected that lower price. Now, let me show you something that I found really interesting on this chart. So, if you look at a candle with a tiny body and long wicks on both side, right? If you this is actually a good candle, this one right here, right? This one right here on Friday 29th May, right? This candle right here. Now, this is called doji. It means the price opened and closed at almost exactly the same level. Neither buyers nor the sellers won. So this signals indecision in the market. So when you see a doji after a strong move up or down, it can mean the trend is about to change. Now, we will be going more into different types of candlesticks in the next video. We'll be going into hammers, dojis. There's so many different type of candles. We'll be going into all of that. Now, I want to be honest with you. When I first learned all of this, I thought I needed to memorize dozens of candlestick patterns, and there are a lot of them. But what I actually learned is that you don't need to know all of them. You just need to understand what that candle is telling you about the battle between buyers and sellers. Once you understand that, you can read any candle. It's very simple. For now, all you need to remember is big green candle with no wicks, buyers are completely in control. Big red candle with no wicks, sellers are completely in control. Long wicks on both sides, nobody's in control. Market is basically confused. Long top wick, sellers are fighting back. Long bottom wick, buyers are fighting back. That is basically the candlestick reading in its simplest form. So tomorrow, we're not moving on to a new topic yet. We're still going to be looking at candlesticks because they're an extremely important topic to cover. So I don't want to rush it. So I'm going to be showing you every major candlestick pattern you need to know as a beginner. We're going to look at doji, hammer. We're going to look at shooting star, engulfing patterns, all of them. Of course, with real examples on a live chart. That video is actually gonna connect all the dots and gonna make everything click. So subscribe so you don't miss it, and hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, see you tomorrow.